What's good, guys? It's jacobcrypobury here. I'm your host today, Jake. Crypto has been another crazy turbulent world, and it looks like the whales are just playing some games with us. So Bitcoin is now down to $40.2 thousand. So we're sitting pretty critical. We've lost over 10% of the market cap over the week. We're down 13.6%, and I want to just show you some news today indicating as to why not really fear. But before we do jump in, I want to show you this crazy news. Bored Ape Yacht Club's film trilogy to be made by Coinbase. There's going to be a 3-part short film trilogy featuring the Bored Apes as animated characters, and I think this is just pretty crazy. I just thought I'd chuck it out there before we do get into the sort of the darker, more gloomy news today. But pretty cool to see this, that there's going to be an actual cryptocurrency BAYC film trilogy, and Coinbase are the ones behind it all in partnership with the Bored Ape Yacht Club. So pretty cool to see. What we're seeing at the moment with Bitcoin, guys, is a huge amount of whale manipulation. Really a huge amount of whale manipulation. The last time we're at this particular price testing this critical support level was back in 26 September 2021, and you can see that where we were hovering through the bull market support band, just hovering around that 30.8k level, of course in pounds. So lots of fear over there, and we're getting a similar thing. We had this nice little bounce where we have a mental block where there's lots and lots of resistance at this particular level where people are getting euphoric and greedy again, and then we're losing this support. And the reason is, well, there's quite a few reasons. I mean, if we look first of all, you can see that we've got the sentiment cycle, and look how similar they look. Basically what's happening right now for crypto is that we had this nice pump through this ascending channel, we had the wall of worry, we get the aversion, and then is this going to happen? Are we going to see particularly a bounce here back up to the 36.6k level, back onto the $50,000 trajectory? So that is what we're really wondering right now. Are we going to break through this huge resistance? You can see this particular chart here looks so accurate, and the anxiety builds up at this resistance level, exactly where we were, which is just here. Each time we get into these resistance, we're wondering, can we break through? Well, we got the aversion and now we come back down, so maybe we can play out this particular denial phase, then got the returning confidence as we push through the resistance, which in this case is going to be around £36,000, make our way up to the next resistance at 38.8k British pounds right there. So it's just something to really consider, isn't it? Bitcoin following the sentiment cycle. Is there a big bullish move ahead? Because really, when we look at what's going on, we can see here, for example, as well, the total transfer volume of coins that were previously dormant for 1 year, lower than pretty much ever. So what this tells us is that the whales are accumulating, and the whales, the long-term legacy holders, are not selling their cryptocurrency, guys. That's what we can see from this particular chart right here, and all the volume is coming in from the traders, the people that are going on leverage short and long positions. We had a crazy amount of longs liquidated over the last couple 28, 44 and 60-hour periods. So that's what I'm really looking at. We can see here as well, Bitcoin whales are making up the lowest proportion of the total Bitcoin network volume. So all the whales are just buying more. They're waiting for that perfect time to snipe in and grab that opportunity to accumulate more cryptocurrency. So that's what we're seeing in the market at the moment, guys. The traders are the ones responsible for all the volume. Most of the whales are just holding. As we can see, 2022 has the lowest whale transaction ratio since August 2012, meaning that these people know exactly what they're doing because they're here for the long run. We've also got a bit of news today on Ethereum as well. Ethereum just ran a major merge test, bringing it one step closer to a game-changing upgrade. We can see here a little article on Yahoo Finance. For years, Ethereum developers have promised a huge upgrade that would, among other things, dramatically decrease the amount of energy used by the blockchain and make it eco-friendly. On Monday, developers began a test for the upgrade, reporting that it went well, although it had some minor issues. So we have got some massive updates coming for Ethereum. You know, the triple halving. We've got some other things going on this year as well, which is going to happen. For Ethereum, I think extremely bullish. Ethereum is the tip of the spearhead when it comes to all altcoins, and we know that it's one that's going to stay with us for a long period of time. Total market cap at the moment, this is what's going on in my opinion. We're back in this green phase. This is the total market cap excluding Bitcoin in dollars. We're sitting at 1.074 trillion. And every time we're in this green wall of hope, it does symbolize an accumulation area or range, because usually there's extreme fear. Last time we had extreme fear in July, June, May 2021. Now we're getting extreme fear through February, January, March, April 2022. However, a much higher market capitalization. So maybe we're going to get a bounce soon to the $1.26 trillion mark. If we move quickly, that will look fantastic. It's easy to also speculate that we'll be back to a $2 trillion market cap over the next couple months. I mean, if we look at the bottom here and take the top, it took 110 days. If we do the same thing, assuming the bottom was here, 110 days, we'll be looking at around the 1st of July 2022 before we get the next particular impulse. And that's kind of what makes sense to me. So really keen to see what crypto has to offer, guys. If you like this kind of video, a bit of news content, a little bit of an update for myself, make sure you smash the subscribe button. Massive thanks to all the viewers for every single second you've given me. We hit 2k subs now, so that's really nice to see. Make sure you come say hello in the Discord channel. We've got about 200 people in here at the moment. It'd be great to see you there, and massive thanks to all the patrons, of course. See you soon, guys. Bye now.